Hello students of class 9th. I'm going to explain one revision set of computer applications class 9th. All of you watch this video and gain your knowledge. Let's start. Number one question is here is the physical components of computer are called, it's mean hardware. Which one is device that is brain of a computer? CPU. Which software takes control of computer system on startup? Operating systems. Next is the internet may be termed as an example of wide area network. What software can you use to avoid getting viruses? Antivirus software. What is the most common way people's computers get infected by a virus? Download email attachment. Which of the following is not an example of cybercrime? Stealing computer hardware. The shortcut key used for copying selected text into clipboard is Ctrl+C. Which gives the status of your documents like page number, number of pages, etc. status bar. What is cyber security? All of the mentions. It's been given on the questions. 1 minute. Cyber security. Which mean, yeah, cyber security provides security against malware, right? Cyber security provides security against cyber terrorists, is right. Cyber security protects a system from cyber attacks, is a right. So this is all of mentions. Okay, now next is a question is assessment and reasoning. Assessment is in MS Excel spreadsheet is made up of rows and columns, that is right. Table is a grid organized in columns and row. It's mean both are, option is right, both have is a right and R is a correct explanation of A. Answer is R is a correct explanation of A. Both are is right, both are true. Now next is the question number 12. Question number is 12 is saying a student wanted to type the sentence two animals have been there. Instead it was typed as two animals have been there. MS Word has to check error of the sentence. The spell checks feature of words have to find error and suggest correcting them. Now is here in this question is a now this is here question is a answer is a both are right. It's mean A right and R right, but R is not the correct explanation of A. R is not correct explanation of A. Again remember, both are true, A and R true, but R is not a correct explanation of A. Next is a explain any two types of software. Number one is a system software, manage hardware, example Windows, and next is a application software, perform specific tasks, MS Word. Write any two purpose of using a computer network, sharing hardware resource as like printer, fast communication and data exchange. Distinguish between LAN and WAN. LAN, local area network, covers a small area like a room. WAN, wide area networks, spans countries or the words. Now next is, what is a computer virus? Name any two types of viruses. Answer, a malicious program that replicates to damage data, types boot sector virus and Trojan horses. Now next is a, what is cyber ethics? The moral principle and code of conduct for responsible behavior on the internet. What is word processor? Name any two. Word processor, software used for creating, editing text document. Example, Microsoft Word, LibreOffice Writer. Next is a difference between copy paste and cut paste. Answer is a copy paste duplicate text, cut paste move text from one location to another location. Is write any three characteristics of a computer. Number one is speed, accuracy, versatility, or vigilance. What are the common signs of a virus attack? Number one, slow processing speed. Number two, sudden system crashes. And number, disappearance of the files. Next is a what is digital footprint? How can we manage it? Answer is it is the trail of data left by users online. Manage it by using private setting and deleting old accounts. Next is a explain the header and footers in a word processor. Header is at the top of the page, footer is at the bottom. They usually contain page number or dates. Next is the what are the different types of networks? Number one, PAN, personal area network, LAN, local area network, MAN, metropolitan area network, and WAN, wide area network. Are describe types of hardware used for output. Name two common output devices. Output hardware translate process data into human understandable form. Example, monitor and printer. Now here is a one case study. Asmita wants to gift his friend a digital clocks, so she searched for many sport items and digital clock online, but after that every time he goes online his web browser shows him advertisement about sport items and digital watches. Number one is why is this happening? It's mean it is due to tracking cookies and search history being used for targeted advertising. Next is a how could Asmita avoid them? Use incognito mode or a private browser. Next question is how can she get rid of this now? Clear browsing history and cookies. Next is other ways, use ad blockers or do not track request. Next is a spreadsheet related. A local restaurant spreadsheet used to model profit is shown below. To calculate the columns, headed and restaurant and divide number of one of items made into the total time it looks the step to make the batch of items. The ingredients cost have been calculated by dividing total purchase price of the ingredients by the number of food items that can be produced from the ingredient. This is a one table. This is a one table. ठीक है, इसी के बिहाफ पर क्वेश्चन आंसर यहाँ पे नीचे देख रहे हैं। यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन नंबर वन यहाँ लिखा है फार्मूला फॉर सेल F4 टोटल कॉस्ट F4, यहाँ पे F ये है, ये कोट होगा तो क्या हो जाएगा इक्वल टू D4 इंटू E4 क्वांटिटी बाय साइज मल्टीप्लाइड बाय यूनिट कॉस्ट. नंबर टू, how to set up other cells. Use the fill handle to drag the formula down. That is very easy. Now next is a formula for total meal cost. Meal cost यहाँ पे है meal cost formula यहाँ पे लगाना equal to sum F4 to F8, F4 to F8 depending on the range of items. Number 4, options to arrange items by time. Use the sort ascending option. यानी कि ascending यानी sort के यानी जो option जो sort है उसके माध्यम से इसको sort कर सकते हैं. ठीक है, तो here is a one, here is a one full explanation of the first revision test. I hope all of the students watch and gain your knowledge. Thanking you and good day.